In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build Gemini chat app in Flutterflow. We'll be using Flutterflow's AI agents feature, which is one of the easiest and most organized ways to connect Gemini to your app without building everything from scratch. If your goal is to create a simple chat experience where users type a message and receive an AI-generated response, this workflow keeps things clean and beginner-friendly. First, go to Flutterflow and sign in to your account. Once you're inside, open the project where you want to add Gemini AI. This is the app that will host your chat interface, so make sure you're working in the correct project before moving forward. Next, in the left sidebar, open the AI agent section. From there, click Create Agent. You'll be asked to give your agent a name. Choose something clear and recognizable so it's easy to identify later, especially if you plan to use multiple AI tools inside the same app. After that, set up the agent itself. Choose chat as the agent type, since we're building a conversational experience. Then select Google, which gives you access to Gemini. Once that's selected, pick the Gemini model you want to use. Depending on your setup, you may also need to enter an API key. If that field appears, add your own key in the appropriate place. Just be sure you keep credentials secure and only use supported storage methods inside Flutterflow. Now it's time to configure how the agent behaves. Add a system prompt that explains how the AI should respond. This is important because it helps shape the tone, style, and purpose of the replies. For example, you can make the assistant sound helpful, concise, or more detailed depending on your app's use case. Then enable text input, and if your selected setup supports it, you can also optionally allow image or PDF input. When everything looks good, save the agent. With the agent ready, connect it to your app interface. Add a text field so users can type their messages, then add a button labeled Send. You'll also need a text or markdown widget to display the AI's response on screen. After the UI elements are in place, open the button actions and add the Send Message AI agent action. Select the agent you just created and then bind the returned response to your output widget so the generated text appears in the app. Finally, test everything. Run your app, enter a prompt into the text field, and tap Send. If everything is connected properly, Gemini will generate a response directly inside your Flutterflow